And with all that in mind, we turn now to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast. Katie, luckily, we're not going to be dealing with anything quite like that.
Yes, no major snowstorm here for southern New England. I'm happy to report that, but we are looking at some pretty heavy rain throughout the day tomorrow, especially towards the afternoon and evening. Areas further north towards the interior southern New England will look to see the highest of the snowfall accumulations. Let's take a look outside right now at your live cam in Newport Harbor. Nice sunset right now. Your sunset's around 4:17 this afternoon, so pretty early now this time of year, but a nice orange glow to our skyline. A bit breezy out there still, but we'll start to see those winds diminish as we head towards the late evening. Temperatures still in the lower 40s, upper 30s. It was a bit of a chilly day out there today with cold air ushering in after last night's rain. We're at 38 right now in Smithfield, Providence at 41. Out towards New Bedford right at 40 degrees right now. So as we continue on, dry rest of the day today, evening into the overnight, light snow to rain throughout the day tomorrow. So at the onset of this system, we could see some light snowfall or a wintry mix very briefly towards around mid-morning, quickly switching over to a heavy rain, steady rain by the afternoon and evening. After that will be drier but much colder later on this week, especially for Friday. So with that, let's take a look at kind of the details of what we're tracking throughout the day tomorrow for this coastal storm. So again, the onset early in the morning, 8 to 10 a.m. We could see a little bit of a wintry mix or very light snow showers, especially in interior northwestern Rhode Island. But we'll quickly switch over to rain as we head towards around mid to late morning here, with heavy rain expected for the latter part of the day, Tuesday afternoon into evening. Showers will end after around 9, 10 o'clock or so, starting to clear out as we head towards your Wednesday morning. So with that, here's our snowfall forecast. The only areas that we're expecting any potential accumulations would be in northwestern Rhode Island, with areas further south and east. Not expecting much to, if anything at all, with that mainly rain outlook at this point. Satellite and radar here. Looking at clear conditions for now, high pressure staying in place through the rest of the day today. That will start to slide to our northeast, introducing the way for our next system moving throughout the day tomorrow. So let's take a look at kind of the exact timing here. So again, dry throughout the overnight, early morning hours. Much of the morning commute looks okay. We'll start to see the onset of the precipitation around mid to late morning. Again, mainly rain event, becoming heavy on and off throughout the remainder of the day. But the storm is pretty quick moving already as we head towards around 8, 9, 10 o'clock. Will dry out from west to east here, leading way to those clearing conditions as we head towards the overnight and Wednesday morning. So with that, snowfall forecast at this point, not looking at really much accumulations at all in our immediate area. Any of the higher accumulations would be out towards the Berkshires in northern Worcester County at this point. So with that, your 7-day forecast here, fine for the rest of the day today. And we'll continue to track this storm for you guys in the next several hours here. But the good news for us here locally, mainly rain throughout southern New England. Kim?